Hello guys. So today I'm going to give you the overview of the hospital HVAC design. So here you can see we have one hospital building where we have done our HVAC design over here. Okay. And if I talk about this building, so we have two basements and having I think six number of floors. We have seven number of floors and here we have one terrace along with that. Okay. And if I talk about the HVAC system we have used here, that is chilled water system. And if I start from this basement floor, then here you can see here we have two basements. Okay, so this is basement two, and this is basement one. So if I give you the overview of these two basements, like how we are utilizing these spaces over here. So here we are just parking the cars, which we have generally use these basements. So here we are just parking the cars, but in basement one, we are having this chilled water plant room over here where we have using four chillers along with the pumps and all the other stuffs. And along with that, over here, the air conditioning areas are like MRI room, X-ray room, and I think some CT scan and some admin office over here. Okay, so like that we are using these basement areas. So if I talk about more, then here you can see like we are using some fans for the basement ventilation. So these fans are for the fresh air and these are for the exhaust. And we have selected the fans capacity uh, as per the NBC guide that we will speak in detail when we have a training session on that. And over here we are doing the air conditioning part. Over here we have, as I said, that we have a chilled water system plant room over here. Okay. And above on this ground floor, we have some other hospital spaces like registration counter and some like along with the corridor, the sample collection and all treatment area, waiting reception like that. So here we are, if I talk about the HVAC, that is I think most important thing which I need to talk. So here we are using the AHUs, and in hospitals we are mostly use diffusers for the supply and taking extract from the air conditioned area. And for the toilets, we are using some propeller fans and some toilet exhaust I am talking about, and some inline fans over here, right? And along with that, like you can see here, we have selected some chilled water pipes, chilled water shafts, or some condenser water shafts over here. Okay, so we have done some sizing, like uh, I mean, we'll go in detail in our training session, but here I just want to give you an overview. Like here we have the chilled water shaft, and along with that, I think few more places also we have the chilled water shaft. Maybe not over here because here we have a ramp area and all. So maybe it will come in this floor plate on first floor. So if we see over here, then one chilled water shaft is over here, and maybe what I can recall now, we have used one more places, I think. Okay, we are not using. That's fine. Maybe this is sufficient for that. So here I just want to show you these are the things which we have to incorporate in the HVAC design. So here you can see like this is the fan. So this is for the smoke exhaust. So uh, these fan actually start working in case of fire. So if there is a case of fire, then this AHU will stop and this fan start running and evacuate this smoke from this area. Okay. And along with that, like here also we have one fan for this corridor, I think we have used. And here also one fan for the smoke exhaust. So these are the things which we have to incorporate during the designing of the chilled water system. And along with that, we are just using the ceiling mount AHUs over here. Of course, at some places we have used some floor mount also, wherever it is necessary. So like here you can see here we have this floor mount AHU. Okay, and here we have AHU room as well. So that's why we have used this floor mount AHU. Several more. There are some more reasons like where we have to use the floor mount and where we have to use the ceiling mount AHU. For that we have some more reasons, and definitely we'll discuss more about that in training. And along with that, again here we have a smoke exhaust fans. Yeah, okay, and some toilet exhaust fans as well. And here also we are using for some of more, or I think here we have this rooms, dock conduit to department office, endoscopy, entry. Okay, this is a normal rooms. Actually, now I want to show you like the OT rooms and other ICU rooms, which are critical areas to design. So that I want to show you, which are not over here. Not here, not here, not on this floor. This is the ward area. Okay, 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 okay. Here also not. Okay, so this is the top floor, I think, and above on that we have a terrace. So this is the top floor, and here we have like OT rooms. You can see. This is OT1, some OT2, OT3, like that. So we have some OT areas. Okay, and for that, the concept is like we have to take the extractor from the lower level and giving the supply from the modular type diffuser. Okay, so if I can see like how we can okay, here we don't have the section. Actually, I want to just want to check the section if we have any. So here we don't have. Okay. Here we don't have. Okay, no issue. I'll explain you like how they are working. So let me just open my layers drawing. If I can show you. Okay, okay, TrueView application. Let me open here. Okay. Okay, so here this is the layers drawing where draftmen and engineers generally use to make their work more easy and more faster way. So suppose if we have to make if we have to select 1.8 TR the ceiling mount unit, then we can just copy from here and just paste in the drawing and just make it in very fast way. Okay, yeah. So here you can see like this is the modular type modular OT supply planum. Okay, and here we have these risers. Here you can see the section of that. If I can make a quickly, no, 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 no. Yeah, so here I will make one snap over here, and then we'll go in the drawing as well. So here we have this OT area, and along with that if I can show you the, like how this to be done over here. Yeah. So suppose we are cutting this OT section from this side, okay, and we are looking toward this side, this side. Okay, we are standing over here and we are looking toward this side. So here you can see like this is our modular OT, this middle one. Okay, so this will give the supply from here. These are the supply ducts branches. Okay, these are the supply ducts which are providing the supplier in this plenum, and after this plenum, it supply in downward throw from here. Okay, and take the extract from the lower level, like from here, from here, from here, from here, from the four corners of the OT room. Okay, so it will take the extract from here, right? So why we are doing like that? So that the virus or bacteria, because in OT rooms we know very well that we have lots of virus and bacterias and all that. Okay, dust particles and all that. So just it will not like circulate in the room. So that's why uh, it will not like spread among the doctors in the room and all after the patients. So just to avoid that thing, we just to restrict that thing to spread the virus or bacteria among the people, among the doctors, we are making this strategy like this. Okay, so supply is from here and just taking the return from here and going to the outside, just exhaust it to the outside. Okay, so suppose if doctor is standing over here and doing the operation for one patient, then these whatever the supply over here will not going back to the doctor. It will coming like this and just coming here, and from this duct it is throwing the outside. Right? I hope you understood. But yes, of course, we will go in deep, much more deep in our training session. So and yes, for these OTs we have a dedicated separate AHUs for each OT. Like here you can see, like these ducts are directly going up from here, right? And for second OT they are going up from here, right? For this OT they are going up from here, and they are coming directly here. So we have separate AHU for this, and here we have separate OTs. We have sorry, separate AHU. Here we have separate AHU. Here we have separate AHU, like that. Okay, so there are some this is like some overview of this hospital project, how we are done. And after that, if I look more things over here in terrace, you can see like here we have some fans. So these are for lift wave pressurization. Okay, in case of fire, these fans will run and just pressurize the lift lobby or lift well, whatever is that. So here it is used for the lift well pressurization. There is a calculation for lift well pressurization, like how much air quantity needed to pressurize that particular lift lobby or particular like staircase pressurization or lift lobby pressurization, lift well pressurization. So there is a separate calculation for that. Okay, we'll go surely we will go much in detail. And here again it's a lift well pressurization fan. Here this is lift well pressurization again. Okay, and these are for some like this H is for ICU room going down, like that. So this is the overall scenario of this hospital design. If you are interested, if you want to do practical uh, on the drawings, then you are most welcome. हमारा जो सेशन होगा वो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में होगा, so you don't have to like worry about that. So thank you very much, and we'll see in our training.